Welcome to my channel. My name is Zasidek. I will be your host for this afternoon. Maui, Mao. Today, I'm laying in a dog bed, and for the rest of tonight, I will be sleeping in this dog bed. Yeah, this is how you get views on YouTube, right? You do stupid shit like sleeping in dog beds overnight. If that's the case, I'm gonna blow up in no time. Well, most likely because, well, you see Casey over here. She's getting a whole big queen-size bed to herself. Ain't that right, Casey? Casey. Now, well, I guess it's time to hunker down, you know? Ooh, Mr. Exposure. Hello. Alright, so I've got the GoPro set up, and, well, put it into time lapse. Every 20 seconds it'll take a photo. And, well, I guess I'm gonna keep a couple small lights on. Nothing that'll wake me up. I do like to sleep in pitch black. So, I guess for the first time in a long time, I'll be sleeping with the lights on. You know, just for content, right? Good night, everybody. I'm actually not that tired, so this should be interesting.